Hi, I'm Veronica Escobar, very proud to be the Congresswoman for El Paso, Texas 16th Congressional District, and very privileged to be able to speak during BIO El Paso-Juarez's Medical Device Summit and Trade Show, and to be able to share with you why this is such an important conversation. I want to recognize the fact that what you will be learning about will be regional manufacturers and their capabilities, and the CARES Act. The CARES Act is a package that I was very proud to support and help shape during this global pandemic that has harmed so many families, harmed our healthcare system, and really harmed our economy. In the face of that, however, BIO El Paso-Juarez has done a great job of making sure that our regional capabilities are working at their optimum. El Paso and Juarez are one region, and we have to act like it, and we have to address our challenges in that same way. I'm very proud of the work that I've done elevating that message about one region and about the fact that we have to deal with our challenges together. I have promoted with Dr. Anthony Fauci and the White House Task Force the idea of a binational COVID strategy. Unfortunately, the administration has not taken this on in any meaningful way, and my hope and my conversations with the incoming administration are that they will take up legislation that I have filed to ensure that we deal with the pandemic in a smart way, especially in communities on the U.S.-Mexico border. And so thank you all very much for the work that you do for our region. It is my privilege to serve you, my privilege to work alongside all of you as we face these significant challenges together.